Hello everyone. Let's see eighth question of exercise 13.1. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. This was the solid cylinder which height is 2.4 centimeter and the diameter is 1.4 centimeter. We have a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Hollowed out means we carve that much portion. Conical cavity is hollowed out of the same height and same diameter. Okay. So which means the diameter of a cone will be equal to the diameter of this cylinder, as well as height of the cone will also be equal to the height of a cylinder. It is given there. We have to find the total surface area of a remaining solid. Okay, in the nearest centimeter square, which means we have to find the total surface area for this remaining solid. Okay, so here which means we have to find the curved surface area of or lateral surface area of a cylinder plus curved surface area of a cone plus area of a circle base. Okay, so let's write what is given here. This is height of a cylinder, and that will be height of a cone equal to height of a cone equal to 2.4 centimeter, and diameter of cylinder equal to diameter of cone equal to 1.4 centimeter. This is given. So radius R will be 1.4 upon 2 means 0.7 centimeter. Okay. Now here we have for curved surface area of a cone we require L. So first we will find the L. L square, you know the formula, L square is equal to R square plus H square, or L is equal to square root of R square plus H square. So L square equal to, L is the slant height. Okay, so we have to find this slant height. Okay, so R is given 0.7, so 0.7 square plus H is given 2.4, so 2.4 square. So it will be 7 7 49, and before 2 digits will point, because 0.7 into 0.7, so 49 and 2 digits are in decimal, so we'll put before 2 digits decimal point, plus 24 into 24 576, and before 2 digits will point, we'll put the point, because 2.4 into 2.4, 2 digits will be in the decimal, so 5.7. Now you can add this 6 plus 9, it will be 15, 5 carry over 1, 8 plus 4 12 to carry over 1, and 5 plus 1 6, means you will get 6.25 centimeter square, centimeter. This is L square. Okay, but we require what? L. So L will be square root of this, L square equal to this, so L is equal to square root of 6.25, which means it will be 2.5. 625 is the square of 25. So 6.25 will be the square of 2.5 centimeter. This L also we got. Now we write this curved surface or total surface area. Total surface area of a solid equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of cylinder plus CSA of a cylinder, CSA of a cone plus area of a circle plus area of a circle. Okay, so you know that CSA of a cone, curved surface area of a cone will be pi RL plus this is 2 pi RH, this is pi R square. So you can put value here 22 upon 7 into R is 0.7 only because it is same into L will be 2.5 plus 2 into 22 upon 7 into R will be 0.7 into H will be this 2.4 plus 22 upon 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 because it is R square. So here 7 will be cancelled with the 7, 0.1 will write. Here 7 1 is 7, 7 0.1 will write. And here also 7 1 is 7, we can write here also 0.1. So which is common here? 22 is common from everywhere. 22, 22, 22. Okay. So 22 will take common. So here you will get 25 ones are 25 and 1 and 1 2 digits decimal will be in the 2. Decimal digits will be 2. Now plus here 22 already we took common. We have to multiply 24 ones are 24 and before 2 digits we will put point. From here 2 is also remaining. So 2 into 24 ones are 24 means 0.24 will get. Why? Because 1 and 1 2 digits will put decimal. Okay, now plus. Now here 22 we took already common. Now it will be 7 1 the 7 means you will get 0.07. Why? Because here also the 1 decimal digits and 1 decimal digit, 2 decimal digits. Now you can add this 22. This will be 7 plus 4. It will be 11. Sorry, we have to multiply even this. So 0.25 plus it will be 24 2s are 48. Means we will get 0.48 only plus 0.07. So you can add this. It will be 22 into 7 plus 8 15. 15 plus 5. It will be 20 0. Carry over 2. Then again 0 plus 4 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. Okay. So 8 point. Okay. We will add 0 plus 0 plus 0. It will be 0 only. So we can multiply by this is 0.80 means 8 0.8 only. So we will multiply 22 by 0.8. So 8 to the 16 6 carry over 1. 8 to the 16 17 with 17.6 centimeter square. And we have to find nearest centimeter square means nearest value will be 18 centimeter square. So this will be answer for this. Now let's see the next question. This is 9th question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. This was the cylinder. We have scoop from both the end. We scoop out the two hemisphere. So as shown in the figure, if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter is given, and its base diameter is 3.5 centimeter is given. We have to find the total surface area of the article, which means we scoop out this hemisphere also and this hemisphere also. So we have to find the total surface area of a remaining part, which means we have to find the total surface area. Total surface area of article will be equal to curved surface area. This portion, curved surface area CSA of cylinder, plus we scoop out this hemisphere. So this portion will be there. That will be also hemispherical. Okay, from inside. So curved surface area of hemisphere, plus again this portion also hemisphere. We have that portion also we have taken out. So we will write curved surface area of a hemisphere, which means we have to write CSA, means CSA of a cylinder will be 2 pi RH plus 2 times, these both are equal because diameters is equal of both the hemisphere. So 2 times pi, 2 times 2 hemisphere is there, so 2 times area of a curved surface area of a one hemisphere. So it will be 2 times pi r square. So you can put the value, you can find the answer. This is the way to find the this surface area of a